Dust settles on the picture frame, a frozen smile, a frozen name. The clock is ticking on the wall, but time don't move for me at all. I'm waking up to the cold side, where you used to run and hide from the world inside my arms. Now silence rings like false alarms. I try to run, I try to breathe, but the air is thick with what you leave. It's a labyrinth inside my head, replaying every word we said over and over, a broken tape. There is no exit, no escape, and the goodbye was a razor blade, severing the vows we made. Now I'm dancing with your ghost in the moments that I miss the most. I'm a prisoner in a house of glass, throwing stones at the broken past. I can't move on, I can't get through. I'm just trapped in the thought of you. Your jacket's hanging by the door, like you're walking in at 3:45. But it's just a cruel trick of light, haunting me in the dead of night. I see your shadow on the street, and every stranger that I meet. My reality is wearing thin. Where do I end and where do you begin? I close my eyes, but I still see the way you looked away from me. It's a labyrinth inside my head. I'm living in the words you said, 'cause the goodbye